So how's it going, everyone? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today, and welcome to another video. Now, in this video, as you can see here, we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Ghost Case 2.0. This thing literally just came in the mail like 10 minutes ago from my mailbox, so I want to go ahead and get a quick unboxing and just give a first impressions. Now, the Ghost Case is a case that has had a pretty rough history. When Dbrand released the initial Ghost Case 1.0, it was a lot of hype, and you can see here I have this case, but it has a lot of major problems. First off, you can see there from the scratching, you can see with the TPU, or I'm not sure if it's TPU, but like this back just scratched way too easily. Some other things too. Let me see if I can zoom in here. This kind of like two-piece design just could separate so easily. I'm not sure if you can zoom in, yeah, but you can see here mine's already peeling off. I did really enjoy how slim the case was overall, but it was just not as durable as I would like. Oh, and also the magnets were not as strong. That was a real bummer. So yeah, I mean, there's a lot of problems that Dbrand actually ended up completely delisting the case from their store and started working on a 2.0. So yeah, this case basically I got for free because I was a 1.0 owner. If you're not and you're a brand new one, this is gonna be 50 bucks. So yeah. Anyways, let's take a look at it and see how it looks. So this is something that I've been pretty excited to see. I also got myself a case, a new skin. This is the nothing skin, so I'm gonna take a look at that a little bit once I get that assembled. But yeah, let's see the case here. All right. So you can see here, so there's the case. Actually, I do want to see what this is about. So I did get this this kind of pamphlet here. I think it says something about the how the Ghost Case had issues and stuff. So yeah, I think you can pause the video if you want to read that, but that was what came in my mail alongside this case. So yeah, let's take a look and see what they've done to improve the case here. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, let's go ahead and put it on the case, or put it on the phone, and see how it looks. So I went ahead and applied the case to my phone, and if you're wondering why the quality of the video may have gotten down a little bit, it's because I'm using my iPad camera, since my main shooter for videos is now, I'm presenting it, so yeah. Apologies for that, but you guys can see here, the case is now attached, and let me just go ahead and remove the seal here. Beautiful. Looks very nice, even without any skin on here. Now, a couple things I noticed. First of all, the buttons are definitely bigger and a lot sturdier. A big complaint I had with the 1.0 was how thin these buttons were, and something else is that because they had these gaps in here, it was very easy to get dust into these things. So this basically being almost blocked at this point is a nice improvement there in just preventing dust particles from getting into those little spots here. Another thing I wanted to test out now that I have a wallet here, as you can see here, this is my wallet that I use, is the magnet and MagSafe strength. So on the original Ghost Case, the problem was that the magnets weren't really that strong, and the actual, like, your MagSafe accessories would sit a little bit above the case because of how this pops out. So if you had a case like this, or a wallet, and you can see here, there's a little gap in there. So since it's not flush, what I found was that when I was putting my wallet, these like wallet cases or wallet accessories in my pocket, the wallet was very easy to fall out, and that was a big problem, and why I steered away from MagSafe wallets for a long time. But now let's test the new one here. So we got the wallet here. Let's try it. Huh? Oh, wow! It recognized. I didn't even know the MagSafe got recognized. Okay, that's pretty interesting. But anyways, it definitely feels a little bit stronger. I will say that it's definitely not like super strong, but it's definitely a big improvement over this one, which really wasn't that strong at all. And the fact that this is being flushed means that it should stay there pretty securely. Like, I'm moving this with a lot of force here, and it's not wanting to nudge at all. So that's a nice improvement. Now, comparing stuff like thickness and all that stuff, I'm not sure what would be the best way, but I can determine by feel by the grip. So let's feel that. So let's see here, comparing this, and then let me compare what the old one felt like, because it's been a while since I've used this old one. Okay, so immediately the biggest difference I noticed was these corners. These corners feel a lot more sharp compared to these ones. These ones definitely feel a little bit more rounded and a lot more comfortable to hold like this. So that's a big improvement there. I did notice that because of how much thinner this grip is and all that stuff, it does technically feel like in my hand, it feels thinner. But honestly, like in comparison with the case, like the actual case itself, to be honest, it's not as like thin compared to like the new version as I expected. Putting the case back on it, this does feel thicker. Yes, not significant though. So overall though, I gotta say this case definitely feels like a big improvement. Dbrand did a really good job this time around of addressing and fixing a lot of the key issues with the 1.0 case, and I applaud them from that. But the price is still kind of steep, and if you're not someone who's willing to spend really that much on a case, then this one may not be for you, even though I do enjoy it. And from a flair and aesthetic perspective, it doesn't have the same kind of uniqueness that the Ghost 1.0 has, with that kind of like two-tone edge kind of design. But in my opinion, practicality comes over aesthetics in my personal opinion, and you still get the skins, so there's that. So yeah, I'm going to leave links to the Ghost case below if you want to purchase one yourself. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one later.